Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Tisi here, and today I am going to be doing this makeup look here. I just am doing a dark lip, just something for fall, and then just a simple eye look. So let's go ahead and jump into the video and you guys can see how I achieved today's makeup look. So I'm going to go ahead and start applying my foundation. For foundation, I'm using the Ordinary foundation. The color is in 1.2Y, which is light yellow undertones. So I want to tell you guys, I am trying, where I'm filming at, the last video I filmed had an echo to it, and I'm not sure if this video has an echo too. I'm trying to get rid of the echo sound, so just in case, if you guys do hear echo sound, just understand that I'm in the process of trying to get rid of the sound. It seems okay to me right now. I don't really know until I get done to the end of the video and, you know, am editing it. But, so the reason why I'm having this echoing sound, not to get so off focus of the video, but the room I'm filming in is not very full, meaning it doesn't have a lot of furniture in it, and it doesn't have a rug. So I have wood laminate floors in this room. And when the room is very empty, I've researched this online because I'm trying to get rid of the echo. When a room is very empty and it has wood laminate floors, tile floors, or wood floors, the sound just bounces off the floor and the walls. It has nothing to absorb the sound. So like if you, for example, if you have a bedroom or an office in your home and you have wood laminate floors, but you have all this office furniture, bookshelves, books, all this stuff, and a carpet in the middle, the sound is bouncing off of it. So that's what I'm trying to figure out. I've added a little more furniture to the room, so we'll see how it goes. But I just want to let you guys know what was up with that. So we'll see. Okay, so this foundation, oh man, I bought this foundation to do a review on it. I haven't done a review on it yet, but I guess this is kind of like a review on it. It's a good foundation. I like it. It feels good on my skin, but I feel like it dries really quickly. So I think I'm good with foundation. I'm gonna go ahead and with concealer, I'm gonna use the Born This Way concealer in Golden Beige. So for some reason, the last few concealers I bought online, and I just couldn't get my color right. I feel like my skin is not as dark as it is because I'm getting the concealers too light. So I need to really check my skin tone or something to figure out a way to buy products online and match my color better. I used to be really good at it and I've gotten so off lately, it's crazy. I think it's because I haven't been buying as much makeup as I used to in the past. So, but anyways, I forgot how good this concealer is. It looks so good. I love high-end makeup. I mean, of course, who doesn't, right? But there's a lot of really good drugstore makeup, and most of my videos and things I do on makeup on or drugstore, just because I don't have a lot of money to throw down on all this high-end makeup. I probably should mix it up a little bit more, but it gets really expensive. But it is good, obviously, you know, because you know you pay for what you get. So I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of extra concealer because I have a little like breakout on my skin. I haven't been eating the best lately. I shouldn't say that, but you know, I have to be honest. It's the truth. I have not been eating like I should be eating. It's just that I'm at home with the kids and I want to eat what they're eating, and it's not good. It's not healthy, like ice cream, chips. I'm going to go in with the Essence Satin Love Blush. I really love the Essence blushes, but I don't like their packaging. Like the lid broke off. I mean, it's a $3 blush, so what do I expect, right? But it's a really good product. But I feel like packaging is everything, you know? If a company can get their packaging right, I mean, it would definitely would sell me on it. But then it's gotta be like price and packaging. It has to be good. So I think that's pretty good. Okay, I'm gonna go in for eyes. I'm gonna go with the LA Colors Nude palette. You know, honestly, I don't want to do too much on my eyes because I want the look to focus more on my lips. So I'm just going to put a little bit of color in my crease. Just kind of give my eyes a little bit of depth. But I think other than that, I'm kind of going to leave it alone. Just trying to keep it as simple as possible. I'm just putting this kind of shimmer, shiny pink shade on my lid. And then in my crease, I put this color here in my crease. And then my eyebrows, I'm just gonna kind of fill them in a little bit. Now for mascara, I'm gonna go in with the Essence Lash Princess mascara on my top lashes. So this is not a chatty get ready with me, but I was on the Ulta website today, guys, and they're having a fall, it's called a fall haul. And they have a lot of makeup that's on sale. That's a really good price, so you guys should check it out. I was just looking for some new products to buy, and they had like L'Oreal mascaras on sale. They're normally $10, they had them for like $7. They had Wet n Wild foundation for $3 something. They had some really good sales. I think almost all the Wet n Wild makeup was on sale. Physicians Formula, that was on sale. I probably shouldn't be talking about this because who knows when you guys are gonna watch this video. It might not be on sale by the time you watch it, right? Well, I can tell you the date. It's September 29, 2020. So if you watch this video sometime within this time frame, then it should still be on sale. It's so weird, right? Bottom lash, I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Length Mascara. So I'm going to use the Milani 09 Spice Lip Liner. Okay, for lipstick, I'm going to use the Ulta Beauty Matte Lip Cream in Stirring. To be really careful with these dark colors because they can go really bad really quickly. Meaning, if you're not careful, they can get all over the place. And it's so hard to perfect because it's a dark color. So it takes me a few minutes. Something about this lipstick now. It's a really beautiful color, but it sticks to your teeth. Not crazy sticks to your teeth, but it could be the how I put it on or if I put too much maybe. But I love this color. Out of all the dark lipsticks I have, which is not much, maybe it's about 4 or 5 or 6, this one is the prettiest. It's because the color's not too brown, but it's not too violet looking. It's kind of like a good mixture in between. That's why I like it so much. So, okay. So that's pretty much it. If you guys are a subscriber of mine or watch my videos or have watched a video of mine, you probably don't ever see me use powder, and I don't use powder. I've never really, even when I was younger, I've never really tended to use powder on my face, and now I don't use it at all because I feel like my skin is a little dry, so I don't want to put the powder on. I like the way my skin looks with just the foundation, the concealer, and then maybe like a primer or something like that, or and primer, like a setting spray. But that's why, if you guys were wondering, why does she never put powder on? I'm gonna try to start using powder, but I'm not gonna use it in this video. For my setting spray, I'm gonna use the Mario Badescu facial spray. It's the Aloe, Cucumber, and Green Tea one. So yeah, so that is it. So I am going to do something with my hair, but this is it, guys. I'll be right back to talk to you guys and kind of show you the final look of how everything came out. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. So I went ahead and I put in some extensions. I just needed something to kind of glam up the whole look. I'm gonna give you guys, or put the link for these extensions below, just in case you guys are wondering where I got these from. I got them from Amazon. But yeah, I just wanted something to kind of make it look a little more glamorous. Try, at least anyways. You know, it doesn't always come out perfect, but I try. What can I say? I try. But yeah, this is the final look, and hope you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I will see everyone in my next video. Bye, guys.